What's up, everybody? I've got an interesting one for you. This is a GPS drone for under $100. Let's go ahead and take a look and see if it's worth your $100. So the first thing you'll notice is the folded design, right? This is patterned after the Mavic. It is not a Mavic. It's nothing like a Mavic. This is a $100 toy, not gonna compete with it. It is a lot of fun, so let's get to it. The camera does tilt up and down. It does kind of click into place, which I really like. It's lightweight. It kind of has a cheap, toyish feel, but you know, it's a drone for under $100. I like the remote controller. It has a nice solid feel. Buttons are labeled, speed up here, orbiting here, so that's cool. It has orbit mode. We also have some buttons on the bottom. Right away, I noticed return to home. That's a super awesome function. We also have buttons up here for pictures and video. But right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you this camera, not very good. Actually, the camera could be good, but it doesn't record on board the drone. So everything is gonna be stored on your phone, which is kind of a pain, which means you're gonna have to fly nice and close if you want good video. Also, the app is a little bit confusing in terms of getting that video off of your phone. I played around with it for about 10 minutes, couldn't figure it out. The directions, not super helpful. So what I had to do was screen record the recording to my phone, and right off the bat, if you have to record to your phone, the image quality is going to be as good as if you're recording on an onboard SD card. So that's kind of a deal breaker for me. I would not recommend this drone based on that camera and that fact alone. The video quality isn't what it should be from a 5 megapixel camera. Very disappointing. So if you are just looking for something that is fun to fly, this is it. In fact, this GPS is incredibly stable. You'll see Chris here pulling it away, and the drone's gonna go back to the point that it was at according to its GPS location. Now, for $100, this is a pretty solid GPS drone, but again, this camera, not worth it, right? This camera is not good at all. If you want something fun that looks like this, I'd recommend the original Battle Shark. Not GPS based, but still pretty fun flyer, and about half the price of this guy. If you want a GPS drone, but you don't want to break the bank, I highly recommend taking a look at the Unique Breeze. It has a 4K camera, electronic image stabilization, and some intelligent flight modes that work. In fact, that camera is pretty darn good for $150 to $200. I would do that before I'd spend money on this. If $100 is your budget, then what you really want to look at is the Rise Tello. That is a brush motor drone, much like this, a little bit smaller, but you're going to get better quality out of that camera. Even though that one does record to your phone, it is one of the best we've seen that can do that. Hey, thanks for watching. Check us out on halfchrome.com, and we're also writing for the Drone DJ. So check us out on dronedj.com. 2 places, lots of drones.
Okay, so let's get some more footage of this drone in the air. We'll fly it around and you can check it out. As you can see, it's pretty darn stable. The one gripe we have is that camera.